3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, July 29th, 2018. I hope you enjoyed that intro. Wanted to switch it up a little bit on this beautiful Sunday. Gonna switch up this video too. Not your typical Litecoin technical analysis. We're gonna revisit past in terms of market sentiment. Came across this really cool thread on Reddit, Litecoin Reddit, and kind of want to try and inject some optimism. So if you're a Litecoin hater, if you're not really a holder of Litecoin, this video might not be for you. But if you are a long-term holder and you just kind of want to start the week off right, feeling positive, then let's do it. You know, I don't always do these types of videos, but I thought it could be fun because I came across this thread. I thought it was pretty funny and very interesting as well, leading up to this crazy run. So let's jump in and look at it. Litecoin Reddit, November 23rd, 2017, right before this massive run that Litecoin had. Right after this nice high that Litecoin had, markets were feeling good, and then right back down. So this gives us a good idea of what market was doing in this time frame in terms of sentiment. So let's look at the thread itself. Here we have a post of $73 again. Edit, $74. So bullish, optimistic, loving life right now. Litecoin Reddit, $73, $74 range. Not too long ago, 8 months ago. So let's continue on. When we reach past $100 USD one day soon, there will probably be major news coverage. Litecoin at all-time high, highest since China last woke up in September, crash, blah, blah, blah. This will be the first leading news coverage over Bitcoin and will help the ratio more and more with more headlines. And what's funny about that post is $100 USD, they're saying, going to make headlines. And I remembered a tweet that Charlie had. CNBC just called and wanted to talk to me on Squawk Box next Monday. I told them no because I was too busy. Who am I kidding here? This was on December 7th. So in this Reddit post talking about $100 Litecoin going to be on major news networks. And if we look at December 7th, what was the price of Litecoin? We can go check it out. December 7th. Right? Look at this daily candle. 128. You know, actually that's December 8th, I'm sorry. So December 7th, 97. So right in that $100 area, getting ready to break through $100. So that person called it. Wanted to point that out. And then this next post, problem with just reaching $100 is that it was already our all-time high. While Bitcoin has doubled since we were at $100 the first time around, we need $200 to at least keep up with this underpacing. Look at all this talk, all this chatter. At $73, $74, this person saying we need $200. Little did they know, December 11th, just a couple weeks later, Litecoin would break $200. I love it. And people probably read that like $200. Yeah, right, that's not going to happen. Because let's look at this next post. 98 was technically the high, and we need $260, not $200. But it's not happening tomorrow. So it's not happening tomorrow on November 23rd. They're right, it didn't happen tomorrow. We broke 200 basically that same day right there. So December 11th. So it didn't happen tomorrow. It happened around two and a half weeks later. And then this person, $200, try $500. If dark coin can be worth $500, then Litecoin can as well. This person said it's coming. So obviously we didn't hit $500, but wow, we got close. And I don't think any of these people posting on this Reddit at the time expected that. Many were expecting for Litecoin to go back down below the $73 area. And then we can scroll down a little bit and you can kind of keep reading. We have this person, please, $80 USD, please, begging for $80, right here, November 23rd, right before the market sees gains of, really, up to 500% in Litecoin. Little did these people know within 2 weeks, everything would change. And then this person, a bear, here comes the dump. And then this person, hopefully bear trap, apparently was a bear trap. And then lastly, we can kind of leave the thread here, $200 in 2 weeks. So that person almost right on the money from November 23rd, $200 happened actually on the 11th of December. So 2.5 weeks. So whoever this person was, IMSE82, I wonder if you're still out there. I wonder if you're even watching this video because you called that. So if you are out there, post on Reddit again. When will we see $500? That's my question. But isn't that crazy? I mean, I just wanted to share this with you because I was looking at this. I was reading through that thread and I was looking at what the market did like just days after all these people were just kind of stuck at $73 range, $74 range, talking about this previous high right here, just wanting to see this previous high hit. It gave me that same feeling of where we are now. People wanting this previous high hit looks so far away, right? And then all of a sudden, they're seeing almost 500% gains. I'm not saying it's going to happen today or even tomorrow or even in 2 weeks, but what would something like that look like right now in this market? 500% gains for Litecoin. 500% gains for Litecoin would look like a $500 Litecoin, right around a $500 Litecoin right now. So I wanted to do this video for a couple reasons. Number one, it's fun, right? It's always good to kind of step outside of things, zoom out on the charts, go back in history, see how far we've come, just really zoom out on this roller coaster ride, because look at it, it's a roller coaster ride and we're all on it. So why not enjoy it while we're on it by looking back and seeing the past successes that we've had, because it has been, you know, look at this, last 6 months. It's been a pretty tough 6 months, right, for everybody, up and down. So I wanted to do this video just in terms of looking at sentiment, putting some positivity out there in the markets. Also, it's fun, but also because it does give you that opportunity, right, to sit back and look what happened in the past. You know, markets kind of trading sideways at a certain area, stuck at a certain price and wanting more, right? But if you were doing TA at this time, hopefully you were doing a TA on the upside and TA on the downside, right? Expecting both, anticipating both, so that you're well prepared. So I want to take that and correlate it to where we are today by saying, what if this happens again? The Litecoin Reddit is very similar today in terms of these hopes and dreams of breaking this previous high as it was back then. And then all of a sudden, within a matter of weeks, everything changed on the upside. So are you prepared on the upside for something similar to happen again? This isn't me saying it's going to, I'm saying, are you prepared for it to happen? Because that's just a picture of how quick it can happen. So we always talk about anticipation. So if you're anticipating an upside, are you well diversified to the point of you're not going to FOMO in if and when it happens? That's the biggest question that you want to ask yourself on the upside. You don't get emotionally drug in to buying any cryptocurrency for that matter as it's just taking off. You want to be well prepared. You want to have your seatbelt buckled before takeoff. So is your seatbelt buckled for the upside? You know, we do videos on the downside and we talk about the same exact thing. Are you prepared for the downside emotionally, with your portfolio, all that good stuff? So this video, obviously way more bullish, optimistic, positive of a video, looking back at previous gains, 500% gains within a matter of a couple weeks was crazy. But it just gives you a reminder, it paints the picture. It can happen again, and it happens very quick. So I wanted just to throw that out there in this video for you. Let me know your thoughts. Do you remember these times in Litecoin? Do you remember that thread on Litecoin Reddit? It's crazy to look back and read and see that. So as always, we have no idea what's going to happen next, and either did those people posting on that Reddit forum. But what's hilarious is that one person that called the $200 Litecoin in 2 weeks, and he was almost right on the money. So appreciate you all watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you have an awesome Sunday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the week ahead. Appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming by. I will see you in the next video, and God bless.